I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. So this time I will be putting together some vegan deodorant. So let's get into the video.
Teach you any way I can. I want to share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So I know you're probably asking, what kind of oil is this? Alright, so this is a blend that I put together. It has vitamin E, safflower oil, and jojoba oil, and also lavender essential oil. This is a blend I already put together, but at the bottom in the description box, I have other things that you could probably substitute as well with the cornstarch and things like that. So just stay tuned. If you need more information, look down below.
Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
Alright, so I'm just blending it all together. It's a little bit too watery for me, so what you will see me do is add some more of the cornstarch to thicken it up some. Enjoy the video.
All I wanna hear is an every single time we play, sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love.
So this right here is so satisfying to me. I'm not too sure whether you can see it, but it's the texture of it. I'm gonna try to get as close to the camera as possible so you'll be able to see how it is. And I like to absorb into your skin and you would definitely feel fresh and you would smell fresh. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to other videos that I will be posting. Thank you. Like and subscribe, guys, so you will know when the next video is uploaded.